How to change Instagram region or country on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you two methods to change Instagram region or country on your Instagram app. First, I will change you how to change your location on your profile and then how to change location on about this account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. To change your location through the first method, you need to change your Instagram to a business account. Go to your profile, tap on menu, then tap on settings, tap on account, scroll down, tap on switch to professional account, then tap on continue. Continue, and again continue. Select what best describes you and tap on done. Wait for it to load. Select business and tap on next. Here you will get the option to add address. Tap on it. Tap on city or town. Search for the city and tap on it to select. After you have selected the location, tap on save. Then tap on next. If you want, you can connect your Instagram to Facebook. I will skip this. You can set up your professional account if you want, or you can tap on close to do it later. Now your location is changed. If you want to show your location in your bio, then tap on edit profile. Scroll down. Tap on contact option, turn on display contact info and tap on check. Again tap on check. Now anyone who comes on your profile page, they can see your location here. Now to change the location on about this page. The problem with changing your location on about this page is that you need to be physically present in the location you want to change. Or you can use a VPN, but it is not recommended because it violates Instagram's policies and may result in your account being banned. So this is how you can change Instagram region or country on your Instagram.